Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an essential accessory for owners of specific Epson Perfection photo scanners. The Diseed AC adapter compatible with the V200, V300, and V350 models. If you've lost your original power supply, it's stopped working, or you simply need a reliable backup, this DC power supply unit aims to be a perfect fit. One of the most reassuring aspects of this Diseed adapter is its strong emphasis on safety. The manufacturer proudly states that their products comply with top industry standards, backed by international quality certification authorities. This isn't just a generic claim. It means the adapter incorporates numerous safety mechanisms designed to protect your valuable scanner. We're talking about built-in safeguards against short-circuiting, overvoltage, overcurrent, and even internal overheating. This comprehensive protection provides significant peace of mind, ensuring your equipment is safe from common electrical mishaps. From a practical standpoint, the input specifications are quite versatile. It accepts AC 100-240V at 5060 Hz, making it suitable for use in various regions around the world without needing a voltage converter. Only a simple plug adapter if necessary. This global compatibility is a huge advantage for users who travel or live in different countries. The adapter is also engineered for high power exchange efficiency, which is crucial for maintaining a controlled working temperature and ensuring stable operation. This efficiency helps prevent the adapter from getting excessively hot and contributes to a consistent, reliable power supply for your scanner, which is vital for accurate and uninterrupted scanning sessions. In terms of physical attributes, this unit is a compact 24 watts and weighs a mere 4 ounces, making it incredibly lightweight and easy to manage. Its black color ensures it blends discreetly with most electronic setups. The manufacturer Diseed has clearly focused on delivering a product that is both functional and safe. However, there's a very important note that cannot be stressed enough, and the manufacturer highlights it as well. Always make sure you choose the right device before purchasing. This adapter is specifically designed for the Epson Perfection V200, V300, and V350 photo scanners. Double-checking your scanner model number is a quick step that will save you any potential hassle or disappointment. Ultimately, for anyone in need of a dependable and safe power solution for their compatible Epson Perfection scanner, this Diseed AC adapter presents itself as a robust option. It's built with safety at its core, offers global compatibility, and promises stable, efficient power delivery, helping to extend the life and functionality of your cherished photo scanner. It's a practical investment for keeping your scanning projects moving forward smoothly.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.